In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will discuss chapter number 4, exercise number 4.4, question number 1. Find the cube root of unity. Part number 2, that is cube root of minus 8. Let x be the cube root of minus 8. So minus 8 cube root is equal to x. So taking power 3 on both sides, so minus 8 is equal to x power 3. Rearrange the term, x power 3 is equal to 8. So x power minus 8. So x power 3, take right hand side minus 8 to left hand side, sign will be positive, plus 8 is equal to 0. So 8 can also be written in power form, that is 2 power 3. So x power 3 plus 2 power 3 is equal to 0. This is the formula of a in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 2. This is the first root. Next, x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is equal to a is equal to 1 and coefficient of simple x is equal to minus 2. It means b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 4. By using quadratic formula that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So putting the values of a, b and c in quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus into minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So equal to minus multiply minus plus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square equal to 4 minus 4 square 16 divided by 2. 4 minus 16 is equal to minus 12. So 3 4 times is 12. So 3 4 times is 12. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. So 2 plus minus 2 square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So take common 2 into minus 1. So dear student, correct this, that is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus square root of minus 3 divided 2 is equal to omega. So omega multiply minus 2 is equal to minus 2 omega. Second root is equal to minus 2 omega. Next, third root minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So that is omega square multiply minus 2 is equal to minus 2 omega square. Hence the cube root of minus 8 or minus 2 omega minus 2 omega square. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.